Hi and welcome to these Python tutorials. Hopefully going to teach you the very basics of Python and leading on a bit to some more advanced stuff towards the end. If there's any questions, just contact me on the website, which is backtobasicsbuilds.co.uk, and there's a contact section in there. So to start with, go onto your browser, go to python.org / downloads and download Python. The version we'll be using is 2.7.11 just because that's what I'm used to. I've tried 3.5.1 but there's some slight differences in the code that I've still not got used to yet, so we'll just stick with this one. It works and it works just as well, so just press on download. When it's done, open it up. I've already installed this, so I won't go through it, but just follow it through and it'll install for you. Also, another thing that we probably won't use but is handy to have in the future, it's called Notepad++. Just go on Google and look for that, and it's on the Notepad++ website, and just go down to download. Obviously I've downloaded this already myself, so I won't bother doing that, and just follow that through. Okay, once it's downloaded, this is just what I like to do. You can just make a file here, or just make a little folder so I know everything I'm using is in there. I'll call it tutorials. Excuse any noises, it's just my son. It's just hard to find time for peace and quiet. So yeah, once we're in here, if you've got Python installed properly, if you go to new, right click, go to new, file, text document, and call it whatever you want, just so you'll remember for now. So I'll call it anything.py. It'll ask if you want to change it. Yes you do, because changing it from a text to a py. There might be a better way, you can just make a py file, but this always works for me, so we'll go with that. And that's it basically. You've installed Python, you can see the symbol there to change the Python symbols, it's ready to be used. And you should also get this option come up now, which is edit with idle, which is Python's idle window. I'm quite sure what idle stands for, I'll have a look. Yeah, if you edit in idle, then this is it, and this is where you can basically do your Python coding. I'll just do a basic one for now, which is a print statement, which we use quite a lot in this tutorial because it's a nice way of showing what's actually happening, or that something's actually happening. So if you put print, if you want to print a word, put either those speech marks or those. It'll work with both. Just put print hello and close with the same one. I don't think you can open and close with different ones, but whenever you're ready, I'm just going to try this. Whenever you're ready, save it, Control S, F5. Yeah, and it comes up with an error, so got to open and close with the same ones. It doesn't matter which ones you use as long as you use the same. I've just saved that, F5. It just says hello there. So quite simple, quite basic, but good to know. And I use this a lot for troubleshooting. To say I've wrote some code and I'm not sure whereabouts the error is, and the error that comes up, as you saw there, there's nothing come up. So normally it's quite good and tells you where it is, but sometimes it doesn't and you're not sure where it's occurring. So I'll put these through the codes you can print. I got here print. I got there got everywhere. So then if it prints that one, you know it's done that bit. If it prints that one, you know it's done that, and so on. So obviously if there's a load of code in between, you know it's ran the code in between that, and if it doesn't print I got everywhere, it hasn't ran all the code in that, so that's where you'll be looking for your problem. I'd say pretty basic but very useful. So yeah, that's just basic printing and how to install it. And I think we'll stop there because I want to keep them short just in case you get bored or you got things to do and you don't want to stop halfway through something. So that's it. Hopefully I'll teach you something and I won't bore you too much, and I'll see you next time.